counterintelligence. Counterintelligence. The counterintelligence operatives are deployed against a variety of security threats, both from traditional and unprecedented intelligence activities. Yung counterintelligence, sila yung dineploy, yun nga, para for safeguarding the informations or personnels or mga unknown threats na possible na magkaroon ng epekto sa mga gaganaping something like yung pagdadala ng informations or whatsoever. Then the broad definition of counterintelligence is the aspect of police intelligence activities relating to all security measures, both offensive and active and defensive passive, and which is designed to ensure the safeguarding of informations, personal, material, installation against espionage, sabotage and subversive activities of foreign power. Ayun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, yung counterintelligence, sila yung nagpe-prevent ng or yung nagsasafeguarding ng mga informations or personals or mga material laban sa mga pagsasabotahe or sa mga pag-iispiya or ganon. Ngayon, yung work ng dito ng counterintelligence is ayun, i-protect yung counterintelligence yung mga bagay na maaaring magdulot ng threat dun sa gagawin. The varied activities of counterintelligence are as follows. Ayun nga, yung unang-una nilang ginagawa is yung i-detect nila yung detection. It is the process of knowing the clandestine operation of the enemy. Ayun, yung mga secret operations ng mga enemy. Ayun, need nilang ma-detect yun. Siyempre, para number 2, ma-prevent. It is the application of counterintelligence operations to avoid enemy activity. Siyempre, pag na-detect mo, ano pa bang next step mong gagawin? Siyempre, for prevention na, di ba? Para ma-prevent, para maging successful yung pag-counter mo, like, siyempre, you need to prevent nga, di ba? Para ma-avoid mo yung mga next move ng enemies. The next is yung neutralization. Ayun, para this necessarily requires the containment of enemies activities. Ayun, syempre for neutralization, para maging harmless yung activity. Next, objectives of counterintelligence. Number 1, prevent espionage, sabotage, subversion, disaffection, treason or sedition. Ayun, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, yung mga sabotage, yung mga pag-i-inspire, etc. Ayun yung mga pinaprevent yung objectives na pinaprevent ng counterintelligence. Next is yung security of government, military and police officers or installations, like yung sa government, like pag meron silang dun pupunta sila sa mga crowded areas, then need nila ng security. Yung counterintelligence, yung agency na yun yung magpo-protect sa nila. Then deny enemy of any knowledge pertaining to classified documents and or information. Next, aid activities to achieve surprise against criminal and subversive plans and activities, and detect possible disaffection, treason or sedition within the own forces. Ayun naman, yung detect possible disaffection, treason or sedition within the own forces. Ayun nga, yung mga espiya or yung mga taliwas dun sa own force ninyo, like yung mga intel dun sa loob ng circle na yun. Ayun yung kailangan yung as a counterintelligence agent, you need to detect yun nga, yung mga ganong klaseng tao sa loob ng circle or sa force ninyo. Next is function of counterintelligence. Mission. The mission of the counterintelligence is to assist the intelligence community in attaining its objective through effective and efficient management of all counterintelligence operation and activities of the police and armed forces and other law enforcement agencies. Next, yung function niya is the function of the counterintelligence is in assisting the intelligence community towards attaining the objectives of the police, armed force, and other law enforcement agencies are 1. Provides close supervision in the integration and coordination of all counterintelligence and security operations and active of the police, armed force, and other law enforcement agencies. Formulates counterintelligence and security policies and directives for implementation of police, armed force, and other law enforcement agencies. Educates all the police, armed force, and other law enforcement agencies personnel on matters relating to threats to security. Provides planning, direction, guidance, and supervision for collection, processing, and dissemination of counterintelligence information. Then, yung counterintelligence is nagpo-provide rin sila ng mga education and training, ayun, kung paano nga maging successful yung pagde-detect, pagpe-prevent, and pag-neutralize ng mga things regarding dun sa pag-counter ng mga threats. Responsibilities of counterintelligence. It is the responsibilities of the counterintelligence to secure and protect all phases of intelligence cycle as a process. Counterintelligence is responsible for overall detection of and protection from threats to the intelligence cycle. A number of disciplines go into protecting the intelligence cycle. Counterintelligence tries to protect 3 things: intelligence personnel, facilities and resources, and 3 operational activities. Ayun nga, kagaya lang rin ng sinabi ko nung una, yung responsibility ng counterintelligence, yun nga, to secure and protect the phases of intelligence, like yung kagaya yung mga personnel, intelligence personnel, yung mga facilities, resources, or yung mga information na i-kinikerry, like yung sa may kapag may election, yung information na madalas laging nasasabotage, na laging nasasabotage, or madalas na nagkakaroon ng problema is yung sa mga balota. Ang trabaho ng counterintelligence dun is to secure nga yung thing, which is yung mga votes, and yung mga sa mga intruders na magbabalak na isabotage yung mga ganun nga. Ayun, yung responsibility nila is maging safeguard sila sa mga things, like important things din, yung mga personnel tsaka yung mga operations. Thank you.